Chaos Potatoes. I am your host, Nerium, and I hope you're doing well. Had a little break, you know, want to slow things down, pumping out videos left, right, and everywhere, up the backside and everything. But I wanted to, slow down, have a breathe, literally have all this, so I can just like jot down ideas. And today we'll be doing a doc. Something simple, something easy. So that way, probably something like stuff around your house that you can just grab, or if you have a parcel and you have these, absolutely my go-to method of cheap. If you have family that has something ordered, ask them for these. You don't need expensive to make good things unless it's resin. Then that's expensive. But like I said, the dock I will be doing is mostly out of hot glue. So that way, if you want to upgrade what I've done for the dock, then you can. No one's stopping you. You can do whatever you want. So the dock is just like a simple dock, and I will do like little pieces like barrels, crates, fishing rods, stuff like that. And the bridge will be probably out of coffee stir sticks. Well, most of the build is going to be coffee stir sticks, to be honest with you. Probably some of these bamboo toothpicks as well, and hot glue, paint, all that good jazz. So I'm keep on rambling on, so I'm going to shut up now and carry on. So as you can see, it's rock solid. I just added a bit of layer of glue and sand just to give it more really sturdiness. Plus, if you melt it a bit, it does actually go hard as well. But I wanted a bit more hardness to keep everything together. So sand and glue did the trick. As you can tell, it's freaking hard as heck. So next is to paint it, and then after all the painting, like black for base, and then whatever I want to paint it as. I'm thinking of going to like a Western style-ish. So there's going to be like a deck right there with probably a path or something. And then obviously the deck. Obviously, and then be like chests, gold, a lamp, all those little details going into a small diorama. But as I said before, you can do it as big as you want. This is just small compared to anything else, basically. So I'm not going to bore you with the small detail of painting, because like I said, it's just going to be black paint for the base, and then probably just like little patches of dirt, brown, green grass patches, just the normal painting. So I'm not going to bore you with that. it's the details that you probably want to look forward to, because that's the main part of the deck. So I'll stop talking and let's go. Right, before I do anything, I'm gonna paint this just to give it an older look. I'm gonna cut this down a little bit because it's a bit too long. So probably roughly that. No idea where that went, but hey. Good enough. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is got this twine, and I'm just gonna wrap a bit on the posts here. But I want to paint it first just to give it a bit more old look, and I'm gonna also score it as well just to give it more depth because it's too clean. No one likes it. Okay, don't do what I just did. I tried to make like gold, chest gold, and what happened was, well, I put too much liquid in and it kind of like ruined it, like too much glue, too much gold paint. So what you want is something like that, like crunchy looking texture. You want lumps and bumps, basically, so you can see basically the gold. But if you want to add a bit of, colour to it, just grab, if you're like me, a hoarder, you buy stuff from Amazon. You got, what I've got is a like coloured glass. So that's all you need is coloured glass, gold paint, and a bit of glue, and you get your own little treasure. That's so cool, you know? But yeah, don't do what I did. You just need a tiny bit, and I always seem to go overboard sometimes. But yeah, I quite like that treasure chest box. Right, I kind of did like a wavy effect just because I can't really do a nice just still water, so obviously I have to go for like a wavy kind of water. How I did it was just I've obviously put a border around it first and filled it in, but at the edges I could see a gap. So what I did is put hot glue on the corner, at the very corner, and just like dangle it down, and it started like going. It started like gradually going down. Obviously, I had to use the fire just to give it a bit more slidey down kind of thing. And yeah, I kind of like how it turned out. So just be careful when using fire because it will burn. Hopefully, with all the paint and such, it hasn't burned it too much. So yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. I think I need a few more things, a few more boxes maybe. Don't know yet, but we'll soon see. It's slowly getting there. Love it. So I think it's almost done. There's just like probably a few-ish things that I want to do, little details. One is to get a nice like lamppost, a fishing net going down here, which if you live in the UK, you have these nice little onion nets. So I'm gonna go and cut a piece off and then glue it down here, and that's basically what I'm going to do, and that's about it really. So it's almost done. Yeah. we have it. The final touches. Well, the final thing. I love the net thing. It goes really well with it. I'm not technically keen on the little lamp thing, but I'm not that great with clay itself. Sometimes I'm okay, but it's just when it gets soft, it's hard to handle. I don't know how people can do it, but hats off to them. But I tried my best. I just love this gold pile here. I think it's cool. But yeah, this is the pirate ducks. And if you guys like it, let me know. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah. I hope you have a nice day. I'll see you next time. Bye.